bad.
A lot of
Rock, you're going to want the center coming down from this side ledge. And on this side too. Nothing too crazy, but
yeah.
going right to the middle.
That's not too bad. All right, here, just ready.
All right, ready for the upper south branch. Water
Okay.
looks good.
Let's go.
Right up. Chris is taking lead. I'll give him a couple feet. All right. Well, the first half hour of the trip, we had 2 portages, a crappy line. I forgot my rope. Yeah. How's it look? Good? What do you think, right? Well, Chris usually chooses the wrong way, so he's a good scout. You just do what he doesn't do. There's another big rock right there. Oh, we found it. Oh, I didn't see this rock. Oh, gotta pay attention for those rocks. Oh, this is the rapid right here. Oh, right up there if something goes bad. Looks like I'm gonna go right through the middle of this. Nice. What do we got? Another log jam. Water's not moving that fast. Maybe we can sneak through something up here. What do we got? What's the date today? Got April 6th, 2025. And we're doing around 550 CFS. We usually hit it lower and it's bony, so. This looks like a little bit of a drop. Let's see what he goes over it. Yeah. just went over. That was fun. Oh, see? Don't go where he goes. But there's actually no good way to go there. Man. Just gonna have to see what happens here. Yep, I see why he did that. Yeah, that looked fun. Let's see if I can hit it the same way as he did though. Kind of shot him. Oh. Yeah. I would say Chris hit that better. You probably hit that better than me. In the words of Days of Thunder and with Tom Cruise, rubbing is racing. We are coming up on a pretty big rapid. You just gotta have a game plan here, okay? Yeah, so after reviewing the map, topographical lines, you know, elevation, humidity, dew point, I think the plan should be don't tip. Don't die? Yeah, don't tip. Don't die. So, I'll go first, yeah? Yeah, I'll be right behind you. I'll try to give you a little distance. Yeah. I'll be close enough to
just hit the middle and don't tip.
And then go way left towards the bridge, and everything's way left.
Say Eddie out the second we can.
Second we can, but go way left.
Probably gonna be after the bridge.
Yeah.
Oh, right. That whole eye thing we talked about earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo, my heart's pumping.
I'm not excited. I was just stalling.
Yep. Woo! That was huge. All right.
This looks like a tight chute right here.
Yeah.
We scouted it, but it looks different.
Nice.
Log is a little nasty, but you gotta stay completely to the side. I'll let you know.
Okay. Whoop. Going right over it. Whew.
I might have hit that one better than you. We're even.
What?
I might have got that one better than you, and we're probably even.
Yeah, I had a couple little stops. It was wicked fun though. Watch out for my paddle.
You got it?
Yep,
You want to beat yours and grab mine?
sure.
Coming in hot?
Yep. All right. We just had to push under that log real quick, but back in business. How's it look around the corner? All right. This is how a beaver must feel. No, no, no. This might not go well. Let's see. Not sure if you can see how clear this water is. If the sun was out. Beautiful though. In case Chris dumps, I want to get nice and close to film this. Yeah. Nice. GoPro, stop recording. Gonna try to get a little speed here. You going over the middle? Nice. Maybe we can cover some ground. I don't see any trees for once. Yeah. And the sun is trying to come out. That'd be nice. It's that moment when left looked so good, right doesn't. Oh no. This is gonna have to, that's called the 360 spin. Chris has got the 12-footer, like he said. I got a 10. Little different shaped boats. He moves a little faster. Mine's a little better in taking on waves, but all right.
Make some more ground?
Yeah. Yeah. Yep.
Rapids coming up, right?
Yep. All right, we got a gnarly section here. We knew it was coming. Hard to say. I don't know, that looks pretty rough. Yeah. I might hit this way a little bit. Water moving here. Woo! Oh yeah. Woo! That no.
Pedal up there and get a good shot of it.
Yeah. Wow. That doesn't even do it justice coming in. That was some good waves right there. Hey, high five.
That's good.
Yeah.
It was good.
Awesome.